Assalamu alaikum. My name is Moaz Bin Jamil. I am a graduate of National University of Sciences and Technology. This video will brief you about number 1. Who are we? Number 2. What is our product? Number 3. Why should you choose this product? And number 4. Why should you choose us for the product? Now, who are we? We provide cost-effective, efficient, and customized ERP solutions based on the needs and requirements of your enterprise. Our current valued customers, Master Motors Corporation Limited, and automotive industry. Our product is required by the company to eliminate material shortages, reduce process delays, and to eliminate many other problems the company was facing. Let's show you the demo of the basic version of the software we provided to the company. When you will open the ERP software, you will see this window. Here, you need to enter your username and password. For this demo, we are logging in to the administrator's account. The administrator can see all the user accounts he created from here. If he wants to add a new user, he has to click this button. Here, you can add a new user, and as you can see, you can specify the rules of that user in detail. You can switch on multiple modules for that user, and you can also hide specific options of a particular module. The administrator can open all the modules. From this option, you can open the modules of this version of the software. And from this option, you can open the plant data setting, where you will add various data of your enterprise. Let's start with the plant data setting. As you can see, in plant data setting, there are 8 tabs. The first tab is the plant timing, and in this tab, you will enter the timings of your plant as you can see. You can also add public holidays by clicking this button. You can select a date as public holiday from this option. In the second tab, you can add your work centers and add their setup times, planned stoppages, unplanned stoppages, and operation times. In the third tab, you can add the products your company manufactures. In the fourth tab, you can add the operation time of each product passing through each work center. This data is the basis for the generation of production plans in the production planning module. In the fifth tab, you can add the raw materials used to manufacture the products. You can add the safety stock of every material in the inventory. You can also add the lead time of arrival of every material, and you can also add the unit of measurement of that material. In the sixth tab, you can create the bill of materials of your products. You just have to add the raw materials for that product and specify the quantity of each material. In the seventh tab, you can add the color of paints you have for your products. In the last tab, you can set the freezing period for your production plans. This option is exclusively created for the customer as per their requirement. Now, let's take a short look at the production planning module. Here, in this box, the user will enter the monthly demand by adding the product description from the right side. And here, the daily schedule will be generated. For example, let's add 20 model A with coke red color and with deck. We will make the schedule for the month of June. After clicking the Generate MPS button, our schedule will be created. As you can see, it schedules 6 trucks per day. This quantity is calculated by the operation times we added in the plant data setting. Let's add some more products. You can also set the priority number and the priority constraint. For example, we want the model B to be done in week 1. When we click the Generate MPS button, as you can see, the schedule is changed and model B is scheduled in week 1. Here the red color shows that on this day we have to work overtime. You can change the overtime by checking and unchecking these boxes. When you are done with making the schedule, you will click the Save MPs button. To calculate the material requirement, you have to click the Start MRP button. This software uses the MRP calculations to calculate exactly when the material is required and in what quantity. If you don't know what MRP calculations are, you can click on the link in the description. This MRP calculation uses the schedule, the data in bill of materials, and the current inventory status. You can also monitor the production. In this module, we have three quantities: planned, actual, and accumulated. The planned quantity is the daily schedule we planned earlier. The actual quantity is what we have manufactured, and the accumulated is the quantity of the previous day's target we couldn't achieve. The data for the actual quantity is entered from a separate module called Production Feedback Module. I will open this module separately. Now, as you can see, when the refresh button is clicked in the Production Feedback module, the today's target will appear. When I will select a certain product and click the Completed button, the data is also updated in the Production Monitoring module, as you can see. Let's have a look at the Procurement module. In this module, you can see the purchase requests, which is the result of the MRP calculations. You can actually see which material is to be ordered when and in what quantity. You can also generate and view purchase orders. Now, let's have a look at the Inventory module. Here you have all the list of the inventory items and their current stock. You can add or subtract any item and the inventory status would be updated. This inventory status data is used in the MRP calculation. You can also view the inventory log, which contains all the transactions of your day. This was the short demonstration of the ERP system we created for the automotive industry. We serve any industrial sector, for example, textile industry, manufacturing industry, pharma industries, and many more. Our portfolio is not limited to these modules which we have just shown you. We also provide sales and marketing module, project management module, human resource module, and many more. We also provide services like system optimization, process standardization, etc.